How to fix Spotify not working. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet, and the second thing that you are going to make sure is that you are updated, and you can do this by going to App Store, and over here you have to write for Spotify. As you write for Spotify, you will be able to see that if you are fully updated or not. As you are fully updated, then you have to navigate yourself back to Spotify app, and then you have to long press the Spotify app. Then you have to go on the information option. When going to information option, you have to scroll down and go to storage option, and over here you have to clear data and cache for the storage. Then you will be able to fix the problem that your Spotify was not working. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.